This crow fell in the water and was starting to drown. The bear grabbed the crow and brought it back on land. After a few minutes of drying off, the crow flew away. Every time this dog receives a treat, he does a little dance to celebrate. This person was commentating a baseball game when he became part of the action.
Wins on the young season, the 1-1. Cordulo swings and fouls it off towards the broadcast booth, and I make the catch on the foul ball. I am very proud of myself. I hope somebody got video of that as I caught it on the fly. Boy, am I impressive. What a play by me.
If you take a regular soda can and put it in hydrochloric acid, you'll discover a secret underneath the aluminum. The reason why your drink doesn't taste like metal is because there is a thin layer of plastic. This plastic is extremely thin and fragile and will break when touched.
It's put in to protect the drink from leaching metals out of the can. You are really drinking out of a thin plastic container that's inside an aluminum beverage can. The bottom dome isn't dissolved because it's much thicker than the sides.
NASA recently announced that humans are going back to the moon in 2024. The plan is to build a permanent moon base to help with future space missions. The moon base will be placed close to where there is an abundant source of water ice.
These are the challenges we face to push the bounds of humanity. We're going to the moon to stay by 2024.
This person made a giant ball made of matches and burned it. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. This shopping cart pusher was having a really bad day and couldn't stop hitting cars.
Guys, look at Charlie in the window.
You guys would not believe what just happened.
Look at Charlie.
Can you believe it? Our neighbor called the cops on us for a rowdy pool party. And I'm gonna show you what the rowdy pool party is. This is the rowdy pool party.
This regular guy wanted to see what it would be like to be famous. He went and hired his own bodyguards, paparazzi, and entourage that would follow him everywhere. There was something stuck inside of this dog's mouth.
Come here. What is it?
Unfortunately, Oliver, as you know, your sales have not increased, for this month. So unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go. This behavior is not professional, and I will be calling security. Ah!
This guy isn't destroying his art, it's actually about to get a lot better.
Okay.
Look at it, God.
What is he doing in the middle of it, though?
This guy wanted to see if he could hit a disc into a Nintendo Wii. This microscopic organism is able to stretch out its neck really long and then swallow this other organism in one giant bite. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Daily dose of internet. This runaway train in the Netherlands broke through the barrier and was about to fall off the edge. A whale statue was right next to the rail and saved the train from falling off. This person found this sad-looking crab that somehow lost all of its legs. She has been feeding and taking care of it for the past couple days. In a few weeks, the crab will make a full recovery and its legs will grow back. Here's some cool optical illusions without using any computer editing. This person made his own super creepy Halloween costume.
Four, three, two, one.
What do you think this turtle is trying to do?
Oh meu Deus! Oh meu Deus!
This cat was kind enough to give this dog a back massage. This family made a machine that could dispense candy on Halloween.
Please hold. Your candy is on the way. Thank you.
And there's our candy.
I recorded this amazing sunset and I wanted to share it with all of you. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And this is your daily dose of internet. This hedgehog was sitting in the street and didn't want to move, so this crow came and helped guide it to safety.
Still here. Go away.
Here's an interesting trick you can do. Take a receipt that you got from a store and get some hand sanitizer. You can make the ink disappear. The alcohol in the hand sanitizer causes it to dissolve. About 30 years ago, this church was abandoned, so a bunch of skateboarders bought the property and turned it into an indoor skate park. This company made a handheld device that allows you to see inside of objects. This person found out that the remote to control their fan also controls the lights for the neighbors across the street.
Light.
From the ashes, he will rise again. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Daily dose of internet. This person somehow managed to create a fire vortex inside of a bubble.
Hunter, are you hungry?
Don't let yourself be convinced to do something that you know is bad, and then Ian finally just shared with us.
A few weeks ago, there was a massive earthquake in Alaska. Nobody in the school was injured, but there was still an incredible amount of damage. This company made a machine that lets you customize the foam in your drink. You can use pretty much any picture in the world and place it right on top of your coffee or beer. In case you didn't know, this is how astronauts sleep in space.
Might think it's uncomfortable not having a mattress and a pillow, but without gravity, of course, you don't need anything to hold you up. You can just completely relax.
These people made a robot that knows how to ice skate and swim underwater. Hula hoop dancers sometimes edit their videos to look incredibly trippy. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very,